So this is a slideshow of the iPad mini install in my 2004 JZS 175W Toyota Crown Estate Athlete. I used a Neo car audio Bluetooth adapter which I got from a 2004 JZS 161 Aristo, which is the same as the GS300 Lexus, and I bought that car from a friend of mine a few years ago. Luckily, this adapter works on the Toyota Crown Estate Athlete as well. Step 1 is to remove the CD player from the car and get rid of this panel cover. The CD player cover, will not be using it from now on, in my case, because I'm not using the stock CD player anymore. The Neo Bluetooth adapter goes between the stock CD player and the wires coming from the car. The plug that goes into the back of the stock CD player kept falling out, and I realized that the locking clip wasn't working properly. I sourced this blue plug from an old JZS 175 Toyota Crown and used it on the Neo Bluetooth adapter. I'm not using the stock CD player, so I removed this board from inside it. The board has the sockets that the wires from the car plug into. This board is needed so some other systems in the car can still be used. If you are just adding the Bluetooth adapter, then you would skip this step. I'm totally removing the CD player from my car. I then reassembled the frame of the CD player with only the board which has the sockets in it. I added some double-sided tape to the front of the assembly and then positioned the iPad mini on the double-sided tape. I made sure that the iPad mini was positioned so that the lightning cable would fit without issue. I also placed the Neo Bluetooth adapter into the assembly and secured it with double-sided tape. I modified the frame of the CD player so that everything would look somewhat neat and in place. Finally, I used some imitation leather sticker material to cover all the white parts of the iPad mini and also all the parts of the frame of the CD player frame that I had modified. Then I reassembled the entire system and reinstalled it into the car. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I'm looking forward to uploading more vids, not only on car stuff, but also stuff from Japan in general. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the notification bell. Thanks and one love.